everybody, Swandzz here today to make a floor video because we're floor people now. So I'm on the floor because I'm gonna open a giant package that I'm super excited about, and I'm gonna twirl scissors. So I have not been this excited about a package in a while. My new favorite hobby is coincidentally one of my old favorite hobbies, but in a whole new way, and that is shoe collecting. So I bought one pair of Demonia shoes, and that was like a month ago, and I opened that in my Dolls Kill clothing haul. And after I got that pair of shoes, I was like, I need more of these, please and thank you. They are a pretty expensive shoe brand, but I think the cool thing about them is as long as you keep them in good condition, they don't seem to depreciate in value. I've seen them on eBay and Amazon and all that kind of stuff where even used pairs are still going for pretty much close to ticket price depending on like the condition that they're in. So this is a cool thing that you can like collect that doesn't have to depreciate in value over time. That kind of stuff is my jam. So I bought myself 4 pairs of Demonia shoes. So we're going to do a Demonia shoe haul. Are you excited? I'm fucking excited. I cashed in some of that birthday money, as we often do, 4 months early, but you know. The reason why I cashed it in early is because these shoes were actually on sale. They were 25% off on Dolls Kill. Demonia brand shoes were 25% off on Dolls Kill, so I was like, yeah, that's gonna save me like a good decent $100, so let's do it. Now you can buy these shoes from like any retailer that sells this brand, but Dolls Kill just happened to advertise that they were having them on sale. Ow. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have size 9 feet, which is a pretty common size, which sucks because a lot of the shoes that I really like will be sold out of my size. So I was so happy to get 4 pairs of shoes that were actually on my freaking wish list in my size. I don't know which one is which, so let's just open them. First up, snap, you guys. These are the Amethyst Lovesick boots. Look at these shoes, you guys. They smell like shoes. Oh my god. They're made out of like this cool like faux leather mermaidy scale type dragon scale kind of iridescent material. They're super cool. These ones, I think these are the tallest ones that I got. They have a almost 6-inch heel. I think it was 5.5 inch. Okay. I think this is probably my other pair of boots. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. So these are also in a really cool like faux leather, but like a scale texture material, which you don't really see online, so they're like way cooler in person. They're really gorgeous. Oh my gosh. These are amazing. I think these are the same cut as like the Trinity boots they have. They just don't have buckles, but I think it's like the same shape boot. I could be mistaken, but I think it is. Oh snap. These are just a really cool pair of platform sneakers. So I love platform sneakers. I'm just like a whore for shoes in general. I'm a whore for heels in general, but I don't like wearing like really pointy heels anymore just because I've got it in my mind that it's scary and I don't want to trip and fall and die. Oh, a kiss? What did I do to deserve that? Thank you. I love platform shoes because they're super easy to walk in and then I get to be crazy tall. Oh, my dog sat on me. Oh, she likes me. She gave me her butt cheeks. I'm honored. Mommy's honored to have your butt cheeks, sweetie. Love you. I love you, baby. Don't go. Keep your butt cheeks with me, sweetie. So the last pair of shoes I got is actually the silver version of the pair that I already own, because I like them so much that I put the silver version on my wish list as well. So they are like these cool Gladiator heels with sparkly studies, all the shit that Sarah likes. So now I have a silver pair. So without further ado, I think we're gonna try on some shoes, give you a little foot tour. I'm pretty excited. Let's get into it. Honestly, you guys, these shoes are freaking killer. I am obsessed with this brand. I am obsessed with these shoes. I can't even say that I have a favorite because I literally love them all. I think I was most surprised by the platform sneakers. They feel really good. Like, they're super, super comfortable. And like, that's a pair of shoes that I could wear, like, let's say I go to a convention or something and I'm gonna walk around all day. I honestly believe that's a pair of shoes I could walk around all day in and not, like, my feet won't hurt. It's like wearing a pair of sneakers, but way cooler. So I highly recommend that you check out Demonia if you guys like cool, edgy, alternative type shoes. They have a lot of really, really, really cool stuff, and I'm definitely going to add more of their stuff to my collection in the future. Let me know what you guys think of these shoes in the comments below. I'm super excited to make outfits with them and just be in them, walk around in them, and exist in them. Thank you guys again for watching. I'm super excited to hear what you think about these bad boys in the comments. And if you like these kinds of videos, I will continue to share my type of fashion hauls and stuff in the future because I do really like clothes. And I like sharing things with you. So it's a win-win. I'm now going to take a moment to thank my patrons. You guys are awesome. Now, if you would like to have your name featured in my videos at the end, then all you have to do is pledge to my Patreon for as little as $1 a month. You get to see all of my videos early, at least 24 hours, but sometimes up to a week before it goes live on YouTube. Depending on your pledge amount, you might be eligible to receive perks every 2 months. That's prints, stickers, postcards, cool like art related goodies. I also do discounts on art purchases and things like that on my Patreon, so go ahead and check it out. Link is at the end of this video. And now I'm going to thank my diamond tier patrons. Lindsay and Bruno, you guys are great. Thank you for holding down the fort for me. I love you. Mwah. Bye. Okay, you can click all of my little buttons. You can click my subscribe circle or the video or playlist that is listed below. You will also find that link to my Patreon where you can choose to support me for as little as $1 a month. I love you guys.